Hello. Okay, good night. It's like almost 12 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so I've been walking out back and forth back home. First I went to Rite and then come back home and then get my damn coupons and then go up to Walmart and then come back home. I was in Walmart the longest compared to Rite for today. Okay, let's talk about Rite. So, and hello there, if you're the chat, my name is Shpkick, I recommend this housing, kingdom, etc. whatever. Okay, Rite monthly deal that ends on the 11:30. Already here, these are the cheapest one at 11.49. There's $3 peel coupons. If you can tell, there it is. $3 peel coupons for both of them. The second one's free. The 30% coupon didn't work on the first one, even though it's at full price. I mean, whatever. But I paid under $5 total. So, yeah. And also gonna get back $3 each from Ibotta, making it moneymaker. Okay, and then I got 6 of these. It's in my bedroom right now, so they're $1.70 after 30% off, which it does apply because this is a regular price. Use $1 off to coupon. I got 3 of those, so that's $3 in total, and 6 of these total. My region was a 1 off 2 value. $3.99. This is 6 ounces. 30% off came off. $2.79. $2 coupon. 79 cents. So that's like what, 13 cents per ounce for a Lubriderm product. Expensive. Should I return this shit? I might, because I don't have enough money in my pocket right now. So all that and the coupons came up. $3 for each of these. $1 for these. $1 for 2 of these. 70 cents and then 79 cents. And then tax. My total was, let me see. Where's that receipt? Oh yeah, I also want to tell you guys, the coupon didn't work on these $2 peel coupons. It didn't work on those. It didn't work on the fragrance free or the regular kind at Rite. I was so disappointed. I didn't call like a part manager. What's his name again? Mike. He did it even override the coupon. Are you kidding me? It doesn't say specific. It doesn't say is it fragrance free or is it not fragrance free. He didn't push it through. So I was like, whatever. This one I got from Walmart today. Okay, so I didn't got any of those Neutrogena at the Rite Aid store, so that's it. My total transaction was, here it is. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, also price check all those Colorista, L'Oreal, not Claro. They were $7.99. They're all $7.99, so I just deleted it. So, you know. Purple, blue, blonde, pink, whatever it is, you know. I deleted those. I didn't like the price. My coupon, I used the Claro coupon on the L'Oreal, so I was like, oh no, this is so stupid. And I deleted the item. As you can tell from right here, there's the Arnie Care. They did have the Arnie Care. It was on a different aisle. Even though this is foot products, it wasn't on the foot section. Right here. It automatically comes off. Okay. And I also have a 4 off 20 CRT Rite coupon, which it didn't scan, so they just had to override store coupons, as you can tell. There's a $4 right there. And non-taxable, of course. It says I got 16 items. No, I did not. I deleted them, honey. And the only ones I got was just 2 of these, 6 of these, 1 of this. That's it, at Rite. And I did got my $6 bonus cash, as you can tell. This bottom $6 is from last week, so which means I'm getting $12 when it's tomorrow morning. I would get $12 in total of bonus cash. So, yeah, money maker. Free ha! Free ha! Free ha! A Rite Aid. This is 70 cents for the fruit roll-ups, as you can tell, 70 cents and $1.02 between each of them, 3 of them total. And there's the Lubriderm at $2.79. This up right here. There's the $2 coupon right there. Yep, see, I void the bar soap because the coupon didn't work. Void, 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 void. My total is $3.48 before tax. Tax was 76 cents. $4.24 is my out of pocket. And I get about $6 in bonus cash for 2 of these. So, hell yeah. Free huh? And then I got a coupon for $3 any cosmetic excluding clearance. And it does say here I've been rewarded for my Arnie Care right here. And it says I spent $20.58 for my holiday beauty. Spend $50, get $10 gift card. So I'm on my way. I think it expires like December something, so I'm not sure. So I'm gonna submit my ibotta for my $6. I haven't done it yet. Nah, Walmart. 93 cents online.com price match. 160 counts. Only the cherry, only the cherry. This barcode. I mean, whatever. Just look at the cherry one, equate brand, 160 counts. 93 cents online, plus tax. Price match, Walmart.com. In store, $3.48. Amazing hot deal. My cashier is really nice. She doesn't know how to write coupons. Her name is Jaden. She just adjusted the price, so she knows how to do that, but she doesn't know how to do the coupon override. She only knows how to like adjust. So like this was bringing out $3.48. She just like cancel item, delete it, and then she press in the number, scan the item again, and then press in the number of the total. So that's how she knows how to do it without a coupon. So okay. And then of course, 2 of these, $1.97. Only the fragrance free. The $2 peel coupon works on those at Walmart only. And then I'm not sure about Foods Co. So it like depends on your store registers how it's gonna take it or not. $1.62 on Rollback. This Ito and Japanese jasmine green tea unsweetened. 16.9 ounces, 500 millimeters, 0 effing calories. Oh my gosh. Pay $1.62, get back $1 on bonus cash. I bought it, so yeah. $2.97. Coupon, so the coupon didn't work. This is 75 ounce. It says 10 ounces or larger. She just adjusted the price to $2.70, so I'm gonna go $2.70. That's what, 3.9 ounce. That's like 3 cents or 4 cents per tax. Okay, 4 cents each per ounce, I meant. So, big bottom compared to those 10 ounces. Oh, $1.98. $1 coupon Peely. Plus 10 cents CRV. Here's the coupon. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I used my 9 on that one. I'm gonna get more of these peelies because it says here 6-pack of any flavor Snapple tea or juice drink. Juice drink, scan, fine, perfect, expired 1/31st, 2020, next year, January 30th. So gotta hurry the hell up. I'm just gonna try these on the singles with 97 cents. I don't know if they're gonna scan those 97 cents. The singles, not plastic, or is it jar glass? Oh yeah, this coupon didn't work on those 8 ounces. Last time it worked, this time it did not work.